Yo, what up? New sneaker unboxing from Nike. I picked this up off the restock last week. I really wanted this pair and it was on discount as well. I guess this was from the outlets or something. They just try to clear out inventory. But this is a pretty big Nike box. Got the Just Do It. And box is a little damaged. Look at this big box for this small shoe. Got the receipt, Nike. Out of the way. These are Air Max 97 Quick Strikes. The Seoul neon lights. Got the Nike On Air. Nike Air Max 97 OA GS. Re 200, I think. GS means Guangxin. I think he's the designer of the shoe. Got this little card. Can't really read Korean, but I think the neon light, the inspiration for Seoul. Got the Seoul, Paris, London, everything on the paper, tissue paper. And here you go with the Air Max 97s. What stands out the most is this big swoosh. Really bright, vibrant colors for the nightlife in Seoul. The air bubble, black. Grab this. Try the insoles. Happy I was grabbed this off the restock. Really wanted this pair for the longest time. And they finally restocked my size, and it's going for under retail. Retail's 200. I got this for like 140, I think. They dropped it and had to pick it up. Here's the tongue. 97s on this black colorway with these vibrant colors. On the back says Air Max. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. This from the little city collection, where you get to vote. And yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe down below, and see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.